What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video I've got some exciting news for you if you play Rust. So if you didn't know already, just a mere 3 hours ago, probably 4 hours ago when this video is released, Rust announced on Twitch that they now have Twitch drops enabled for all Rust streamers. There are 3 exclusive items to be earned, so what are you waiting for? Get started at twitch.facepunch.com. Don't know why they missed the U, but anyway, this is the official announcement. Heading across to twitch.facepunch.com, linked in the description down below, you'll see this page here, Drops on Twitch. Connect your accounts to earn in-game rewards by watching Rust streams on Twitch. Scrolling down, these are the drops that we can get. We can earn these between November 12th, 7 p.m. to November 19th, 11:30 p.m. GMT. We can earn purple glasses if we watch a Rust stream for 1 hour in total. Purple underwear, 3 hours in total, and headset, 6 hours in total. As far as I know, you won't be able to open up multiple streams to get to 6 hours by watching 6 streams for an hour. But of course, I'm pretty sure you can change between streamers. You won't need to sink 6 hours into just one streamer. That being said, let's go ahead and link our accounts so that we can start getting drops. All we have to do is watch for a total of 6 hours to get all of these items. So get started. Number 1, sign in with your Twitch account. Simply click this purple button over here and we'll be redirected to Twitch. Make sure you're signed in with the right account and click Authorize. You will need to be signed in on Twitch while watching using that account to get drops. Scrolling down, we'll need to link a Steam account. I'll click the green button, log into my account, and then click Sign In to authorize this page on my account. After doing that, scrolling down to the very bottom, activate Twitch drops for your Steam account. Simply click Activate Drops. Drops are activated. The top of the page is now green as such. Watch participating Rust streams on Twitch to earn drops. Simply click Watch on Twitch, and it'll be taken across to the Twitch game directory for Rust. We can watch any of these streamers here, and after 6 hours of watching streams, we'll get all 3 of those items. Of course, we'll get 1 at 1 and 1 at 3. Scrolling down even further, we have some FAQ over here. Can I watch any Rust Twitch stream? Yes, as long as the streamer is streaming within the Rust category and has drops enabled. Do you have to be watching to receive the drop? Yes, you must be watching at the moment the drop occurs in order to receive it. So I'm not sure if you have to click something to actually receive the item, or if you'll just have to have the stream unmuted and running in the background. Can I earn drops faster or more often by watching more than one channel at a time? No, of course it'll be a collective total of 6 hours. Watching more than one channel simultaneously will not result in more rewards. Do I need Twitch Prime? No. And that's it. That's about it for this video. Enjoy watching 6 hours of Rust streams, and very soon you'll get all of your items. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.